What's up YouTube? Back at it again with another YouTube video. This is a pair of Nike Air Jordan 1 mid-pollens. Black, yellow, white. Can't really go wrong with this colorway. If you're looking for one, check out the StockX affiliate marketing link in the description. Great little shoe if you ask me. Just a little bit yellow, a little bit of yellow, black, white, reasonable colorway. I'm not a huge fan of yellow, but honestly, like, sometimes you gotta have yellow things. As usual, we're gonna throw them on foot here. Let me know what you think of them in the comment section below. On foot, they look a lot better. Especially with a pair of black joggers like this. If you're looking for a nice pair of pants or joggers to wear with sneakers, check out the Amazon affiliate links in the description. Great looking shoe if you ask me. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Goodbye.